Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with number names. We read 3-digit numbers using the place value chart. See here, this is the place value chart and this contain it is ones, tens, 100. Okay. If any number exists in hundreds column, we read it as 200. In tens column, 3 is there, 30. Ones column, 8 is there. So, all together we read as 238. So, see here children. In hundreds column, 7 is there. Tens column, 0. And ones column, 5. Okay. So, here no need to 0 tens. Okay. We have to read as 705. Okay. Let us learn some more numbers here. So, write the number names they have given. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. This is place value chart. They have given numbers as well as numbers here. So, first one they have did 555. It is the place value and we have to write the number name here. Okay. 555. Next, in 100 column, 8 is there. Tens column, 3 is there. In ones column, 6 is there. So, 836. EIGHT 8. HUNDRED 100. THIRTY 30. SIX 6. Okay. 836. Okay. Next one 412. Okay, this is 412. FOURE 4, HUNDRED 100, TWELVE 12, 412. Okay students. Next 778. 778. So, SCVN 7, HUNDRED 100, SCVNTY 70, EIGHT 8. 778. Next one. In hundreds column, which number is there? 6. We read as 600. Okay. In tens column, 4 is there. We have to read 40. In ones column, 3 is there. We have to read as 3. Okay. So, all together we read as 643. So, write the number name here. SIX 6, HUNDRED 100, FORTY 40, THREE 3. 643. Next. In hundreds column, which number is there? 2. Tens column, 1. Ones column, 8. So, tell the place value of 2 here. 200. 10. 8. So, if you add all together, we read as TWO2 HUNDRED 100 EIGH TEEN 18. 218. Next. 160. In hundreds column 1 is there, tens column 6 is there, in ones column 0 is there. So, 160. ONEHUNDRED SIXTY 160. Okay students. Next. In hundreds column, which number is there? 9. Its place value is 900. In tens column, 9 is there, its place value is 90. In ones column, 9 is there, its place value is 9. Okay. 999. So, NINE 9, HUNDRED 100, NINETY 90, NINE 9. 999. Hope you are all understood students. Next. Quick drill. They have given one activity here for your practice. Write the numbers or number names If they have given number, we have to write the number name. If they have given number name, we have to write the numbers. Okay. So they have given number here, we have to write the number name. So in a hundreds column 6 is there, tens column 4 is there, in ones column 9 is there. So we read as 649. Write the number name in the next column. SIX6, HUNDRED 100, FORTY 40, NINE 9. 649. Next, they have given number name, we have to write number here. 306. 306. If you don't know how to write the number, you just put the place value chart here. Okay. This is ones, tens, 100. Okay. So see here students. 306. In 100 column we have to write 300 means here 3. There is no 10 here, so put the 0 here and 6 in one columns. So write 6. Okay. 306. 306. We have to write the number here. Next. They have given number, we have to write number name. So this is 551. Write number name here. FIVE 5, HUNDRED 100, FIFTY 50, ONE 1. 551. Next they have given number name, we have to write numbers here. 718. So if you can't able to write directly, you need to draw place value chart here again. Okay. So ones, tens, 100. Okay. 700. Write 7 in 100 columns. 18. 18 means 1 in tens column, 8 in ones column. So write the number 718. It is read as 718. They have given the number here, we have to write number name again here. So this is 919. NINEHUNDRED 900, NINETWEN 19. 919. Okay students. Again they have given the number name, we have to write number here. 231. So 2 in 100 place, 3 in tens place, 1 in ones place. 231. Okay students. Now turn your page. We will continue exercise 1.4 also. This is place value and face value. We already know that place value. What is the place value? If any number exists in hundreds, its value is, see here for example 238. Write 2 in hundreds column, 3 in tens column, 8 in ones column. Its place value is 200s. That is equal to 200 here. This is 200s means 200. 3 tens means 30. 8 ones means 8. Okay students. So see here place value. The place value is the value of the digit. It is the value of the digit according to its position. Its position means which number lies in which place value chart column. Okay. If it lies in hundreds column, its value is 100. If any number lies in tens column, its value is 10. For example, 2 in tens column, it means 20. 3 in tens column, it means 30. So place value is the value of digit according to the position in the numbers such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. Okay. So take another example here. 718. Put the place value chart. Write ones, tens, 100. number 7 in 100 column, 1 in tens column, 8 in ones column. So its value, place value, see here, place value of the 7 is 700, place value of 1 is 10, place value of 8 is 8. Okay students, now come to activity, this activity. Okay, so before going to activity, we have to learn the face value. Face value, okay. The face value of each digit in a number is the same as the digit itself. So means 2 is the number, its face value is 2 only. Means number itself is the face value. Okay students. So see here, it is 238. This is place value chart. Ones, tens, 100 we have written. 2 in 100 columns, 3 in tens column, 8 in ones column. So face value of 200 is 2 only, because they have told here same as the digit itself. Means it is 2 here, face value of the 2 is 2 only. It is 3 here, face value of the 3 is 3 only. Means number itself is the face value. Understood students? Next, come to activity. Circle the numbers in each set that show. Circle the number in each set that show. Means 200s. They have given some numbers here. So 200s in these 4 numbers, which are the number contains 200s. So for that number we have to circle. So see here, this is 162. This is 238. So circle this number. Okay. Next, this is 508. They have told which number we have to circle? 200s. Means, so see here, 287. 200. Okay. So 287, circle this number. 4 tens means 40. Okay. 4 tens means 40. So see here, 540. So circle this number. 341. So circle this number also. It is 817. Okay. There is no 4 tens here. So leave this number and put for this put circle for this number. So 843. Next, 3 ones means ones place we have to see the 3 number. Okay. 223. 3 ones. Okay. 3 ones means 3. In ones place, if you see 3 numbers, we have to circle that numbers. Okay. So 562. In ones place, which number is here? 2. So this is not that number. We have to circle. So this is 793. In ones place, 3 is there. 3 ones. So circle this number. 443. In ones place, 3 is there. So circle this numbers. Okay. 110 means its value is 10. Okay. 110 means in tens place we have to see 1. If you see 1 in tens place, we have to circle that numbers. So here 164. Okay. 709. See here 10. 110 means 10. 813. In tens column we have to see 1 number. So circle these numbers. 210. 110. Okay. Next, 800s means in 100 place 8 number should be there. Okay. So 890. Circle this number. 854. Circle this number also. This is 100. We should not circle this number, because in hundreds column 1 is there. Its value will be 100. We have to circle 800s. So next number 834. So 8 in 100 columns, its value will be 800. So circle this number. Okay students. Now come to next page. Come to next page, page number 69. Okay. Circle the digit in ones place. So, in ones place, which are the number are there? We have to circle that digit. Okay. It is 100, tens, ones. Okay. It is ones. Means from right side to left side, we have to circle the ones place. Okay. Next 310. So in ones place 0 is there. Put the circle for 0. Here 487 in ones place 7 is there. We have to circle the 7. Next 532 in ones place 2 is there. We have to circle the 2 number here. So they have given circle the digit in ones place, means ones place number we have to circle. 999, put the circle for 9. 788, put the circle for 8. Okay. So next main. In the second main we have to circle the digit in tens place, means middle number. This is ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Like that you have to circle the tens place. So this is tens place. Circle this number. It is tens place. It is also tens place. Circle this number. So like that you have to circle the tens place. Okay students. Circle the tens place number here. Okay. In third main we have to circle the hundreds place. Means there are 3 digit number. This is hundreds. 100, 10, 0. Okay, 1. Okay. Hundreds, tens, ones. So in 100 place we have to circle the numbers. 400, 500, 600. We read as 100, no? For that number we have to circle the digit. 311. Okay. So see here 310. We have to underline circle the 100 place. So 300. For 3 we have to circle. 487. 400. For this we put the circle. 573. Put this circle for this number. 667. Put circle for this number. 999. So 900. 311. Okay, hope you are all understood. Fourth main. Write the place value of the circle digit as hundreds, tens or ones. So they have given here one example. They have circled the 3 digit. Okay, 3 number for 3. It lies in 100 place. Its place value is 300s. Okay, 300s. Come to next number. 583. They have circled 8 here. Its value is, place value is 8 tens. It lies in tens place, isn't it? So this is ones, tens, 100. It lies in tens place. Its value is 8 tens. Next, 222. Okay, they have circled the middle number 2. Its place value is 10. 2 tens. Okay, write 2 tens. Okay, next 762. Its place value is 2 ones. Okay, 2 ones means in ones column 2 is there. For that purpose we have to write 2 ones. Next 800. In ones place how many zeros are there? 1 0. So 0 ones. Okay students, 0 ones. 678. In 100 place there are 6. Okay, there are 6 number is there. So write 6 hundreds. 6 hundreds. These are all place value of the circled digit. Okay students. Next, read each number aloud. Write the place value and face value of the circled digit. So see here, it is 123. Place value of 1 is 100. face value of 1 is 1. Number itself is the face value. Okay. So come to this number 213. Place value of 1 is 10 here. Face value of 1 is 1 itself. Okay. Next 321. Place value of 1 is 1 because it lies in 1's place. So its value will be 1. Face value of the number is 1 only. Next 578, they have circled the 5 digit here, 5 number here. So its place value will be 500. Ones, tens, 100. Its value will be 500 and its face value will be 5 only. Okay. 857. So they have circled the 5 number here. Its place value will be 5 tens means 50. Right? 50 here. Okay. Face value of 5 will be 5 only. Next 785. They have circled the 5 here. 5 lies in 1's place. So its place value will be 5 only. Face value of 5 is 5 only. Right? 5 here. Next, write the place value of the each digit of the given numbers. So it is ones, tens, 100. Its place value of 4 is 400. Place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 3 is 3 only. Okay. Ones, tens or tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. So place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 4 is 40. Place value of 6 is 6 only. So again write ones, tens, 100. Place value of 6 is 600. Tens value there is 0 here. Write 0 only. And if the 4 in 1's place, its value will be 4. 604. Okay students, hope you are all understood. Thank you.